Well, welcome back to Channel On. Today I want to talk about some gloves that I have received. I got home the other day and I had a package that I had not ordered. Opened it up only to reveal some brand new gloves. And these are not just any gloves. These are some, let's see, we've got men's Deerskin leather palm gloves. The note inside basically said, those are embarrassing to be using. Let's see, those gloves are embarrassing. These should help out. So yeah, they will help out. And because I get a lot of grief about my gloves that I use. As you can see, I got holes in them. And these are not the same gloves that I wear all the time. It's just I wear them out. I'm doing an awful lot of work and I just wear them out. So we're going to go ahead and see just how long these ones last. Now I've tried them out around the yard already a little bit. They fit good. They're nice and snug. I went out on the lawn tractor. Oh, before I did that, first thing I did is I put my Channel on there, my decal. So that was the first thing I did, just to make sure that everybody knew that they were mine. So I went out and got on the lawn tractor, rode around a little bit. They felt good, you know. They're not slipping. These do tend to slip a little bit, so I will admit that these are nice for running the lawn tractor. Went ahead and mowed the lawn a little bit. You know, I generally don't wear gloves when I mow lawn, but probably should because the vibration in the handle kind of bothers my hands a little bit. We'll go ahead and try those out. Went ahead and worked on the prop airplane a little bit as well, getting ready to get the moonshine film tightened up a little bit. So worked on that a little bit. Also worked on an ATV, doing some sanding on the rim, on the rear rim. Worked on that a little bit, and they worked pretty good. Did a little bit of work on the plow truck, putting the battery back in the plow truck, you know, worked pretty good. Using the wrenches. That's one of the problems with gloves like this, is they're a little loose, a little raggedy, so it's kind of hard to use the wrenches on it. So I found that using the wrench on this was pretty good. As far as hooking up a trailer, went ahead and hooked up a trailer. Again, they worked pretty good. These aren't bad for that, but again, these worked pretty good. Now, the problem I'm going to have is when I get into some greasy stuff, like with these ones here. When I start changing tires and that type of thing, I'm kind of curious on how they're going to hold up with that. So, well, thanks an awful lot for sending me these gloves. They're very much appreciated. I'm going to kind of add them along with my utility knife that you had so graciously had picked up for me many, many moons ago. And I'm going to add that to my collection of gear, so to speak, that I use around the garage. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.